In a world where prices keep rising, jobs feel uncertain, and money never seems enough, there's one goal everyone dreams about: financial independence. But what does it actually mean? And how do you achieve it without being born rich? Stick around, because in this video, we'll break down the real roadmap to financial independence step by step. No fluff, just results. Welcome back to the Guru Minds, where smart finance meets smarter living. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button and join thousands of others learning how to take control of their money and build lasting wealth. Let's start with the basics. Financial independence means having enough income to cover your living expenses without needing to actively work for it. It's not about being a millionaire overnight. It's about freedom. Freedom to choose how you spend your time, your energy, and your life. So, how do you get there? Let's break it down into 5 practical steps. Step 1. Know your numbers. You can't reach financial independence if you don't know where your money is going. Start by tracking your income, expenses, debts, and savings. Use simple budgeting tools like Notion, Mint, or even a spreadsheet. Knowing your cash flow helps you see what's helping you grow and what's holding you back. Step 2. Live below your means. This isn't about cutting out all fun. It's about being intentional. The goal isn't to look rich. It's to be rich. Start saving 20% or more of your income if possible. Redirect that money into investments instead of lifestyle upgrades. Remember, the secret to financial independence isn't how much you earn. It's how much you keep and grow. Step 3. Eliminate bad debt. Credit card balances, high-interest loans, and payday debts are wealth killers. Prioritize paying them off first, because the interest you're paying could have been your investment growth. Use the snowball or avalanche method, whichever keeps you consistent. Step 4. Build multiple streams of income. Relying on one paycheck is risky. Start creating new income sources. A side hustle, digital business, dividend-paying stocks, real estate, or even a YouTube channel like this one. Each stream brings you one step closer to freedom. Step 5. Invest early. Invest smart. Investing is where your money starts working for you. Don't wait until you have more. Start with what you have now. Use low-cost index funds, ETFs, or automated investing platforms. And remember, time in the market beats timing the market. The earlier you start, the easier financial independence becomes. Now here's the truth. Financial independence isn't a finish line. It's a journey that's built through consistency, patience, and good decisions. But once you achieve it, you'll never have to trade time for money again. So ask yourself, are you building wealth or just working for it? If this video gave you value, hit that like button, subscribe to the Guru Minds, and share this with someone who's serious about taking control of their financial future. Because the smartest way to live in 2025 isn't to work harder, it's to build freedom that lasts a lifetime.